Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Guys, I request you please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Guys, it really helped me to motivate me and encourage me to make better videos for you guys. Thank you. Guys, today I am discussing a very important topic. The name is how to calculate BBS. What is BBS? Bar bending schedule for a rectangular footing with a few steps, easy steps. Guys, BBS for the rectangular footings. Calculate BBS for the rectangular footings. There is some steps we follow for the calculation. Here given data from the footings drawing. This is our drawing design. We give this dimension for our footings. See 0.30, 1.7, 1.20, and this is 1. These are the dimension. We just summarize this as a given data. Footing size 1 meter into 1.2 meter. 1 meter into 1.2 meter. This is our footing size. Spacing of bar is 100 millimeters centers to center. Footing cover is 50 millimeter, or it is called as the concrete cover, is 50 millimeter. Bar uses in the footing is 12 millimeter deformed steel rebars used. Guys, coming to the this section, this is our footings. F1 size is 1 meter into 1.2 meter. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is height of the footings 1.7 millimeter, and this is 0.30. This is PCC. The diameter of the bars 12 millimeter at 100 millimeters center to center. This is 12 meter at 100 millimeters center to center. Guys, step number 1 for the calculation, cutting length of an y-axis. Guys, this is our x-axis, it is horizontal, and this is vertical, this is y-axis. Cutting length of this y-axis. Guys, cutting length is equal to length and y-axis minus 2 cover letter. Cutting length equal to length and y-axis minus 2 into cover plus 2 into height minus 4 cover for L upside minus bend cutting length. Cutting length is equal to length and y-axis. Guys, this is in millimeter. We have 1.2. This is length and y-axis. We just put the values and calculate the final. 1.2 meter is equal to 12 millimeter minus 2 into cover. 2 is in formula and cover is 50 millimeter plus 2 into height. 2 into height. Height is how much? 0.3. 0.3 is multiplied by 1000, because this is meter. Converted to the millimeter, it is 300 millimeter minus 4 cover. 4 is in formula and cover is 50 minus 2 bend. 2 into 2 into 12. Guys, cutting length after calculation may come up with of 1100 plus 600 minus 200 minus 48. Cutting length to 1100 plus 600 minus 248. Finally, we get 1.45 millimeter. This is our cutting length in y direction. Guys, step number 2, cutting length in x direction. Guys, This is calculated 1.45, and we want to calculate this in x-axis, x direction. Cutting length is equal to length in x-axis minus 2 times cover plus 2 times height minus 4 cover minus bend. We just put the values, all values in the formula for calculation. Cutting length equal to length is 1000, guys. This is the 1000 length in x direction. We just put simply the values for calculation. 1000 minus 2 into cover is 50 plus 2 into cover height is 300 millimeter minus 4 into cover 50. After calculation, cutting length is 900 plus 600 minus 2 minus 48. Cutting length is equal to 900 plus 600 minus 248. Cutting length is we just add these two values, becomes 1500 minus 248. Cutting length is equal to 1252 millimeter. Guys, this is in millimeter. We want to convert it to meters. We divide by 1000. It becomes 1.25 meters cutting length. Guys, step number 3. Number of bars along x axis length is 1.45 meters. Number of bars in x axis equal to length minus 2 cover divide by spacing plus 1. Just simply putting these values into formula. Number of bar x axis length is 1000 minus 2 into cover is 50, spacing is 100 plus 1. Number of bars in x direction is 2 into 50 is 100 minus plus 1000, 900 divided by 100 plus 1. Number of bars in x-axis is 10 numbers, guys. After calculation, we need 10 number of bars for length of 1.4 meters, guys. Very simple, just follow the steps and formulas, you will get the result, guys. Step number 4, number of bars along with the y-axis. We have the length is 1.25 meters. Number of bars in y-axis is equal to length minus 2 cover divided by spacing plus 1. Number of bars in y-axis is equal to 12 minus 2 into cover is 50 divided by 100 plus 1. Number of bars in y-axis is equal to 12 minus 100 is 1100 divided by 100 plus 1. Number of bars in y-axis is 12, guys. After calculation, 12. Guys, we need 12 number of bars for the length of 1.2 meters. Guys, this is the Excel file for bare bending schedule or BBS of rectangular footing. Guys, we have here the footing size. In x-axis length is 1000 millimeter, and in y-axis the width is 1200 and the height is 300 millimeter. These all dimensions are in millimeter. 90 degree L, 200 diameter of bar is 12, 90 degree bend is 2, cover is 50, spacing is 100. Cutting length in y-axis length is 1252. In y-axis the width is 1452. X-axis number of bars is 12. In y-axis it is 10. Guys, you can see this. Guys, this is a rectangular footing. The rectangular footing size is 1 meters 20 centimeter, and this side is 1 meters, and this is the x direction, this is the y direction. We calculated all lengths and number of bars for this rectangular footing. Guys, this is the concrete cover. We've assumed it 5 centimeter or 50 millimeter is equal to. Guys, see, this is 1.7 this height, 12 millimeter dia of bar, spacing is center to center is 100 millimeter. This is the height, 30 centimeter or is equal to 300 millimeter. This is the PCC, and this is again the reverse of 12 millimeter. 5 diameter is 100, diameter of bar is 12, and 100 millimeter center to center size. Guys, this was all about BBS of rectangular footings calculation. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you guys.